Welcome to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. We're just going to give you a quick XLM, XDC for Digital Asset Dad. And I'm going to show you real quick my recent gold purchase. Like Vincenzo always says, do not buy numismatic or rare coins. Stay away from those. Stick with bullion bars, bullion coins, and gold and silver rounds. That's the cheapest way to buy. The coins I bought today is a South African Cougaran. It's a bullion coin. Another bullion coin, a panda, and then I bought silver rounds. I hope you like the purchase. Peace and love, peace and love. And bring him back to his depressing state of 26 cents when he's trying to get up into the Duck Utopian up about 85 cents and he just love his lashes dinner. But he's not going to get there. We've marked out our lower track, most probable. You can see it following it beautifully to get rejected and start trading down. An outside shot that the duck hunter gets to shoot somebody, or the jabroni killer gets to fucking shoot somebody. No, that's the duck hunter. The duck hunter's yellow. That's Isaac's duck. Isaac. Hello, Isaac. Hi, my nephew Isaac. The duck hunter, the duck hunter is ready to shoot key ducks, bam, at key resistance and make filet mignon out of the duck. You know, nice, juicy, tender duck. And that's what's going on in XLM. Go down to some of these other fucking coins. Digital Asset Dad, just ask for a quant and a what was that other one that I had to get? XDC. So we're gonna give Digital Asset Dad an update. Oh, we got a nice pump for you, Digital Asset Dad. But you see, it's following this track, bam, that we made out for you when you asked for this video the other day back here, and we said it could do this to upper resistance because that blue line, that fluorescent blue line is upper resistance, and then we put this out as a watcha for you, Digital Asset Dad, to see how it interacts with that, and it's about to interact. And with the volume still crashing on quick TA, bam, on monetary or commodity Mondays, I think you're going to get rejected by this, and it's going to force you down, Digital Asset Dad. Everything's going according to plan. As we zoom in super simple and easy to understand ways, you can see the price, a little bit of a pump in volume right now. I think you're going to trade along this and come up and get fight, and it's going to start to force it down. That's what I'd pay attention to. And XDC, moving along back to monetary and fiscal, or commodity Mondays, and monetary and fiscal policy Fridays are at the end of the week. We already went over that. We'll go over the U.S. Dollar now. Another exclusive to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. He's brought in the U.S. dollar along with crude oil and this kind of fiscal stuff into the crypto sphere. Just remember that. He's the industry exclusive, the one that brought into this key information. And you can see we're meeting up against key overhead resistance right now, where this double top is in the dollar index. And I expect the dollar to start crashing after an overreaction. And I think we're going to start to trade down in the dollar over the next few weeks. And I think we're coming down here very, very soon. I went over that this morning, but I think we're coming down there in the dollar. We're going to start trading down. Gold and silver bullion are going to start going up. My foreign stocks like British American Tobacco are going to start going up. We can take a look at hedging and investing like the rich with Vincenzo, right? Let's look at his portfolio. I didn't even realize I was in margin right now, but my accounts are moving in the positive direction, sort of. Some of them are starting to trail off now. So I'm not in any margin problems. So I'm just going to continue to add money each week like I do until I have, you see, I have an account balance of $3,100, but I have an investing balance of $8,000. You can see our updated dividends on this particular personal account, $190 from now to the end of the year on $3,100. Not bad, and free money to hold the stock. $2,000, almost $2,100 in mutual funds, so that's fucking $3,800, but I only have $3,100, so I have a $518 on margin, but my margin is good. Everything's fine. You can see I'm going to acquire more of these businesses this week. BP. Actually, this week, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a couple $100 more of Europac Gold Fund, $100 more of International Dividends Fund, so that's $300. And then I'm going to buy a few more shares of Royal Dutch and load up about 10 more shares. So So 10 more shares of BP this week, PLC. 3 or 4 more shares or Royal Shell. Another share or 2 of this, and then stack up more of my mutual dividend funds. You can see my balance or my income now, $190 in this account in the next 12 months, $227. And my total, $312 the rest of the year at $26 in dividends a month. So as these dividends build, my stakes in these fine, fabulous businesses and grow, so my wealth and my cash flow will grow. So I'm building my wealth this way, right? I got more of my speculations in here. You can see I've taken a hit recently on GPL. It was really fucking killing me. But these are all going to bounce back, right? So we're doing fantastic there. As we move along into the US dollar, we just went through. We just did some coins. I'll get more in the commodity Mondays a little bit later on. Let's finish out with the gold and silver chart. Gold's having a correction. And now it's had some buyers. But if we zoom out to the daily time frame, you can see a big level of major underneath support is at $1,800. And then major support is at great time to buy and pick up cheap discounted mining stocks. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just did pick up more B2 gold. I picked up more of everything, and I purchased more gold and silver. Buy into the fear, buy the jabronis scared money, and ride the riches. You buy the dips. You're in a bull market. 1,700 major support, where we could do that and trade back down to 1,700. I don't think we're going to, but we could. I'll keep an eye on this. I think this is just great buying opportunities right now. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on this radio show or anywhere else you may share me on social media. This is strictly educational and taxation trading alert, BAV entertainment only. I cannot recommend stocks, securities, mutual funds, bonds, or anything else, crypto. This is only my own personal opinions and beliefs on where the market is going and what I am personally doing. So I think this is a great buying opportunity. Any one of these spots are great buying opportunities. I'm a long-term holder. As you've seen, I've purchased, if we go into my email with 44,000 emails, I have purchased yesterday, beautiful on the dip because it was down $75. I purchased a beautiful quarter ounce Cougaran, 5 ounces of a beautiful Silvertown Buffalo rounds. That's the cheapest way you buy bars, bullion coins like the African Cougaran, or silver rounds and silver bullion coins. Then I bought 5 ounces of Sunshine Morgan silver rounds, beautiful coins. Then I bought another bullion gold quarter ounce Somalian gold elephant. Yes, I had to pay $25 to $30 more than if I just bought a quarter ounce bar, but a bullion coin does have a little higher resale value than a standard bar, and I love bullion coins. Remember, bullion coins like that bullion coins like the Cougaran or the Somalian gold elephant, or rounds, gold rounds and silver rounds like the Eagle or the Morgan silver round and the Buffalo silver round are the way to go. But I also like to collect. These are 3/4 of an ounce of silver in each coin. And call is the worst condition. That's why it's $32. I overpaid by about $4 per ounce if you extrapolate it out to a full ounce of silver. Same thing with the Morgan silver dollar. I overpaid by about $7. The peach silver dollar and VG's a little bit, one step up from call, $34. So I overpaid by about $8. And then I got an AU, almost uncirculated, just below BU, brilliant uncirculated, right? $36. I overpaid by about $10 an ounce, but I collect these. So that's why I buy a few of them, not a lot, from time to time, just because I want a piece of history and I love old silver dollars, right? And they are valuable, but that's not the way you want to invest for wealth, is by silver coins or silver bullion coins, or like the American Eagle or the gold buffalo or the South African Cougaran or the Somalian elephant coin, bullion coin, or bars or rounds. That's the only way you buy it. No numismatic shit, no fancy all that other shit that's $50 for an ounce of silver because it's got a picture of Barney on it, right? None of that shit. You don't buy that. So this is what I did on the dip. I acquired a 1/2 ounce of gold and 13 ounces of silver, right? Because that's what you got to do to invest in your wealth. Like, subscribe, and share more updates to come on the crypto and more monetary Commodity Mondays to come. Peace and love. Peace and love.